Hi everybody, welcome back another technical demo around the Quarkus application. My name is Daniel O. In this video, I'm going to showcase how to even faster your Quarkus application with Faster. As you probably know, the Quarkus has already offered several types of the job packaging. So historically, we had either a standard job packaging with the code out or Uber jar, and then so we recently announced a new feature, and we Quarkus provide a fast jar as default packaging mechanism. So with this faster, there are lots of the improvement and a faster runtime rather than Uber jar. Let's get into the demo. Take a look at how it works. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna create a new Quarkus project with the really oldest version 1.11. The project name getting Uber jar started. And this Maven command line will generate the default RESTful API application. The second project, we're gonna use the REST version 1.12, which allows us to have fast jar packaging features. The same RESTful API will be generated by default. And then when you go to take a look at that, my directory, you can find the two Maven project here, the getting faster started and the getting Uberjar started. So let's try to run the Uberjar project with the Maven development mode, the Quarkus development mode. So as you can see here, it takes 1.5 seconds to start off using the Uberjar application. So try to open a new terminal and to access the endpoint, the REST API, just hello world. Make sure the application normally works. So hello REST easy. So I'm gonna stop this application now, and then maybe I'm gonna try to run one more time because sometimes the first booting time is a little bit slower than normal cases. So as you can see, it's 1.5 second at 1.5 second once again. So this Uberjar based application, Quarkus application, takes 1.5 second to start or even development mode. And then let's try to run the FastDI application with the Quarkus 1.12 version. So it takes just half a second. It's almost 3 times faster than previous Quarkus version. So now it's a fast response time and a fast improvement performance to, and actually you have the same functionality just like you saw. And I tried to one more time to run as dev mode to compare the first booting time and the second booting time, but as you see, it's almost same response time, the half a second to start up. Okay, so next step, we're gonna package this application using Maven command line, using Maven Packaging. First of all, we're gonna do with the Uber jar with the previous Quarkus version, and then it takes 10 seconds to packaging application, including unit test. Okay, just finish your packaging application and then go to take a look at that your target directory, and then you will find the runnable jar file under the target directory. As you see, they're getting uber jar dash runner jar. You can actually run this application using Java command line. So let's try to do that. Java dash jar, and then just to run the runner jar here. And it takes a little bit faster than dev mode. It's 0.2 or 0.74 second to start up this application. And you go to another terminal window and go access the endpoint and exactly same result. Okay, so this time we're gonna packaging FastJar to compare UberJar to how the packaging jar file will be generated. So it takes almost the same time to packaging application, just like we did with the previous version of Quarkus. It takes a little bit 10 seconds. And then let's try to go to target directory how jar file generated. So you don't see anymore the runner jar, but there's one new directory, Quarkus-app. Now you can see the live directory and then Quarkus run jar file under Quarkus-app directory. This is a different thing how generate your library, but also fast jar application compared to previous Quarkus version. This is one thing you have to consider when you migrate previous Quarkus version to Quarkus 1.11. There's also another option to run the regular C jar file. You can find more detail in the Quarkus.io guide documentation. Okay, just try to run this fast jar using Java command line. As you can see, it's almost same the half second to start up this application and go to endpoint, exactly same result. So in this video, we just learned the new feature of the Quarkus application 1.12, which allows us to have a fast jar as a default packaging application, and the fast jar allowed us to have more faster response time, but also improve our performance. Enjoy the new Quarkus feature and have a good rest of the day. Thank you.